What's up, everybody? Welcome back to 6 Minute Sunday, and it's very happy to see the smiling face back again. And we're going to design a text today in 6 Minute Sunday. Let's go. I'm gonna select width 1920 and height 1080, resolution 300 pixel per inch, color mode to RGB color 8-bit, and background color to white, and pixel aspect ratio is a square pixel, and I'm click on create. Now I have canvas with white background. Now I click on layer. I'm going to create another one layer by clicking on plus sign on the bottom. I'm going to select a solid color to create a background. In that I will select light pink. I'm okay with that. Click on OK. And then again I will create another one layer to write a text. Go to text tool, T, and write letter O. I want capital letter O, so I will delete this one and caps O. Then I click on O tool to align that O to the middle of the canvas. Now I will press Ctrl plus T to transform, to make it bigger so that I can make a design so that it's visible. Now I will drag the image that I want to clip it with O. For that you have to go to your folder where you have saved your image and drag that one to Photoshop. In Photoshop it will open in new canvas. Now click on Move tool and hold Shift. Move on to your editing canvas. Now the image will cover up whole canvas, so you can't see letter O. Now what you have to do is place your cursor in between letter layer and picture layer. Now you will see one symbol. Click on that. It will create a clip mask with letter O. Then you have to duplicate that image layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. It will create a duplicate of that picture layer. Then decrease that duplicated layer opacity to around 50%. Now go to quick selection tool and select that tool. Go to the size, it's in 5 pixel. I am increasing that to 10 pixel. You can vary the size of the tool according to your need. I am fixed with 10 pixel. Now select the flower. In my case it's flower. Select the flower which is only come out of that letter O. If you selected the area which is you don't want, then press Alt on keyboard. Now it will create minus sign, so you can deselect that selection. After you're done with the selection, then click on mask. It will create a mask on the selection. Now bring the opacity back to 100%. Click on duplicate layer. Right click on it, blending option. Then go to drop shadow. After clicking on drop shadow, it will create a shadow. But I will change the angle to 130 degree. Then I will play around with the distance, spread and size. Then I click OK. Click on text layer, right click on it, blending option, stroke. Click on stroke. It will create stroke of size 16 pixel. Position is inside. Make sure that it's inside. And also I'm going to add drop shadow. And I will change the angle back to 90 degree. and I will increase the distance. You can also play around with this spread and size. As you can see, the drop shadow is created. Then it's okay. It's already created a good effect. I'm happy with that. And I'm going to export this one. I'm going to file, export as. And to the format to PNG. As you can see, image size is 1920 and 1080 with scale 100%, and canvas size also same. Then everything is okay. Then I open up a folder where you can save. You can also change that one, and also you can rename that one. I am going to rename it to youtube.png. Then I will save. That's our design. Then the important thing is, if you want to add light into your video, then check my gigs on Fiverr. I edit first to order for free. Link is in the description. And do not forget to read the description of that gig before you order. Thank you. I will see you there.